Well, we're here at okay, Oak, it's pretty cool here, and there's that main building there.
Yeah.
But we are here, and we got this little area, and we're waiting to get on our elbows way down there. I'll show you a little later, but there's a little tiny crab. But I'm backing away from it because I don't want it to fall in the water. It's down there somewhere. But there's some crabs here. I can't really see them, but you can try to look. You can't really see in the water. It's like murky. Oh, there's a little thing on the water. I don't know.
Who was so dumb?
Stop, Nolan. We're gonna go down here and set them the boat. Come on.
Yeah, this is a boat.
No, this is not. It's a little down here.
No, this is
The green one?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
AI. It was looking.
But this is our boat right here.
Yeah, but
It's
how
pretty
do we
nice.
get onto it?
And we got that roof
But
there.
how do we get
Pretty
onto
nice.
it? Oh, we
But we could either sit there
How do we even-
or sit here on the front. I'm thinking about sitting on the front
And
or
guys,
the
if
side
you
right
think,
there.
if
Or we could sit there in the front.
yeah, and if you know how to
You could
get,
sit there in the middle, and and that's the back, and this is the front, and
And
then we
if
got
you-
side. There we go.
and
And this building, there should be somebody inside of there, but there's not. And we're here early, and we're just waiting here. And also, we got some of this here. And this is all of the stuff that we're bringing. And I got my board here that we just put some wax on it so I won't slide off of it. But it's pretty nice. And my dog was going to be here. Well, my dad left on the golf cart to go get wet to bring him here on the boat. And I would make different episodes of the boat. Okay, do you want to say hi? Nolan, do you want to say hi?
hi.
Hi, good morning.
Yeah. Well, it's gonna be pretty fun on there on the boat. But I wanted to take some videos, but like there was a lot of stuff to do. Like it was just constantly doing stuff, so I couldn't really do it. Ooh, we got a little hermit crab. But there, you can kind of see his claw there.
Yeah.
Yeah. What?
Make a video when we first started driving a boat.
Yeah.
The sun's
And this is a little like lake area, and there is the sound, and then we have the sea. And we got this little concrete wall. Ooh, concrete wall. Let's try to weight it. So, it's like that. It has that. Okay. But if a boat comes in, I'm gonna weight them out of 10. So, ooh, look, we have a little school of minnows. It's right here.
Mino.
Okay, what do you weight in this wall? What do you weight it?
5.
Okay. Yeah, it's a little broken. So this, the build, like how built it is, it's broken. So 2 out of 10 for that. And then protection, 7.5 out of 10. That's what I rated. Because it's clear concrete and it's kind of thick. It would stop a boat and definitely scratch the boat, yeah. but also it's low in the water, like you can see it there. So the height, but down here it's good. Oh, here's the boat. It's getting ready now. Come on, guys, down here. So overall, like the height is like 5 out of 10. Up there is 1 out of 10, and down here is 4 out of 10. So I rate this wall a 8 out of 10. Or 15 out of 20. But overall, pretty good. Bye, guys. Subscribe and make sure to like and follow my videos. Bye. Have a great day.